Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's episode, I will introduce you to sneaker bots, their useful features, and how proxies work with them. Sneaker bots are specialized software tools that automate the process of purchasing limited edition shoes as soon as they become available for sale. They work by automatically filling in the required information, such as shipping details and payment method, and submitting the purchase request faster than a human could. This gives users an advantage over those not using a bot. Bots can be used to purchase shoes from a variety of brands, including Adidas, Nike, and New Balance. To increase the chances of a successful purchase, users can also use a proxy in conjunction with the bot. Proxies, especially mobile ones, are ideal for this purpose, as they have real IP addresses like residential ones, and are less likely to be detected by the site's security system. On the other hand, data center proxies are often blacklisted. Another advantage of using a bot is that users do not have to stay online while the shoes are being released. They can simply activate the bot before the start of the sale, check the pre-filled data, and let the bot take care of the rest. Sneaker bots come in various forms to serve different purposes. Stock monitoring bots. These bots collect price information and monitor the availability of stocks. When stocks are replenished, they alert users, allowing them to stay ahead of the curve and purchase shoes before they sell out. Pre-release bots. These bots crawl websites looking for sneaker product URLs that haven't been published yet. This allows bot operators to purchase the products before anyone else knows they are available. Speculation bots. These bots speed up purchases and bypass purchase restriction policies, allowing resellers to sell many pairs of sneakers for 2 to 4 times or more of the retail price. Shopping cart bots. These bots keep sneakers in a shopping cart so other customers can't buy them. This is a way for users to secure a pair of shoes they want to buy before it gets sold out. To be successful, a sneaker bot must emulate the actions of human shoppers. The bot replicates human browsing patterns to evade detection, but still completes purchases faster than a human shopper would. The bot simulates real mouse movements and touchscreen actions, and can also replicate typical keystrokes. Furthermore, the sneaker bot can mimic browser fingerprints, allowing it to appear as a real user to the website rather than a bot. Unlike crawlers or basic bots that send requests with filled-in credentials, sneaker bots make smaller requests for data in order to avoid detection. This way, each IP address used by the bot will have the same request volume as a typical user. As previously mentioned, obtaining a highly coveted pair of sneakers from a popular release can be extremely difficult for users without a sneaker bot. However, even with an advanced bot, it may not be possible to achieve optimum results. This is where proxy servers come in as a solution to enhance all the parameters discussed earlier. One of the ways websites protect against the use of bots during release day is by limiting the number of purchase requests that can come from a single IP address. Without a proxy, your home IP address will eventually be blocked, effectively ending your sneaker hunt. To avoid this, it is essential to use a proxy server. Sneaker proxies allow you to bypass this limitation by providing alternate IP addresses, making it appear as if the purchases are being made by different individuals rather than just one person. This allows you to buy multiple pairs of sneakers from various websites without fear of being detected as using a sneaker bot. Using a proxy server also significantly increases the user's anonymity and security, as it hides the real location and makes it difficult to leak personal information. It's also important to note that the proxy should not be on any blacklists and should not have any CAPTCHAs that would slow down the user's progress, as even a few seconds can make a difference in the number of sneakers acquired. Selecting a proxy can be a bit tricky. It's important to choose an elite quality private mobile or residential proxy with an accessible SOC 5 protocol that is compatible with using a bot. We recommend purchasing a private proxy, and there is an advanced proxy provider, Proxy-Seller.com. You get 100% anonymity on the network and security, a performance guarantee for the chosen purpose, and 24/7 customer support service, The link will be in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications by clicking on the bell and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.